Hello everyone and welcome to part 2 of your Valentine's Day guide. In this video, I will be showing you the best date ideas, Valentine's Day party activities, and solo date night ideas. If you weren't there to see part 1 where I showed you guys gifts for him, her, family, and friends, make sure to go back and watch that. Here are the timestamps, and without further ado, let's get started. This is the part of the video where I show you guys the best date ideas that are romantic and fun and that any girl would love to go on. First up, we have trunk of car movie night or dinner that is like cutely decorated. This is such a cute detail because it shows that you really care, that you took your time and effort to make a fun experience for her, and I feel like it's just such a cute bonding thing where you can just sit and talk for hours or watch a movie while eating, or you can go and do this in a drive-in movie theater as well. Next up, we have baking or cooking date night. You can have it themed. You can make heart-shaped pizzas, heart-shaped cookies, heart-shaped cake, literally anything heart-shaped because it's Valentine's Day. Next, we have painting or craft date ideas. So this can be like clay dating, painting each other, or making Legos, as well as doing this with a picnic at home. So you always want to include food in a date. Card game or board game night. So you can just set up a table full of card games and board games for 2 people with a bunch of snacks and then just enjoy each other's company for the night. Going to see a ballet or a performance and then taking her out to a nice dinner. Keyword nice. Because if you go to see movies, that's just cliche. You don't get to know the person. You're just staring at the screen for like 2-3 hours. But if you go to a ballet, a concert, some type of performance, and then a fancy dinner, it's just the perfect romantic night that really just gives like elegance. And girls love it when there's elegance. Well, most of them anyways. Next, there's a Valentine's picnic, preferably outside if there's nice weather, or on the beach if you live nearby one. But at home is also a great idea because you can just watch movies and play board games like I said before. Make sure that you bake, make, or order in her favorite food. She's gonna love that little detail because that shows that you know her. Going to a hibachi grill. This is sort of along the lines of just eating, but hibachi grills are different because it's like more fun to watch. You have a show in front of you, you can like laugh, you can take requests sometimes. So it's a really cool experience and a fun idea to take out for a date night on Valentine's Day. Then we have more fun ideas, which would be that are like active, like laser tag, arcade nights, escape rooms, or going to the fair if there is one that is nearby you that is currently going on. These are all fun ideas because you two get to have fun with each other and just enjoy like a fun, laughing night. And then we have going to an art gallery. So this is really for the artsy girls as well as the people that appreciate like classy activities. Going to an art gallery is something really like elegant. Like, you know, like girls just daydream of staring at a painting and then seeing the guy of their dreams come up to them, and then, you know, everything just falling into place. So an art gallery is a great idea for Valentine's Day as it shows class and elegance. Then we have stargazing at night. If you live in an area where there is no pollution, you got clear skies, take advantage of that. I live in a place where we got too much pollution. So if you live out there in the countryside, do this with your girl. That is such a sweet romantic thing, and you're just staring at the stars at night, thinking about your future together, each other. Perfect Valentine's Day. And finally, we have hanging out in downtown or like cute, cool museums in the city, places of activities. Go to downtown if you have a cute one where you live. I personally do live in a town with a cute downtown, so it's really fun to just walk around the square and going down each street, different shops, flea markets, whatever. That's a really good idea for Valentine's Day. Okay, y'all, now this is the Valentine's Day party planning section of the video. First up, we're gonna have all of the activities, and then I'm gonna have a separate section for decoration ideas. So first, we have a photo booth where you can take pictures with your phone or digital camera to post on Instagram or your stories, whatever you want. Then we have a bracelet making station or a flower making station, like a flower bouquet thing, because everybody can go away with something to remember the party by, and it's just a cute little activity for everybody to enjoy with. Then you have a cookie baking and decorating section of the party, so you can have cookies pre-made or baked, and then you can just all decorate it with each other, or you can have a bake-off to see who can do the recipe the best. Color coordinating your attire. So this is matching color, specific theme, like pajamas or pink themed dresses, whatever you want to go with. Everybody loves dressing up, so that's a great option for a Valentine's Day party. Tote bag painting, which is a really cute idea, especially with tote bags trending. So you guys can customize and personalize your own Valentine's themed tote bag or whatever theme you want to go with. And then there is also painting each other. This is a really fun activity because it displays everybody's art skills. So at times, if you don't have any art skills, it's funny to just see. And this activity always gets a lot of laughs and it's great for parties. Next thing that you want to have at your Valentine's Day party is themed food, or have everybody bring a themed charcuterie board. You always want to have food at a party. And at a Valentine's Day party, it is especially essential that it is themed. So you can get everybody to bring pink foods. You can have a charcuterie board for chips, for cookies, for sandwiches, or actual like wine tasting charcuterie board and like cheeses and all that stuff. Or you can have food that you already had at your home and make sure that it's all just coordinated underneath the Valentine's Day theme. 2 more activities that you can have at your party is scrapbooking together. This is a really fun activity because you guys get to look back at your memories and really appreciate the value of your friendships together and see all the memories that you have made in these past years, months, days of being friends. So this is a really great option, especially for friend groups that are really close together and have known each other for a long time. There's also another option of a spa night, because what girl doesn't love a spa night? We want to treat ourselves on Valentine's Day, so a spa night is the perfect way to do it. A game night. You can never go wrong with this option because girls just want to have fun. So this can include board games, card games, just dance, karaoke, whatever you guys want to do it, because this never fails to keep the party alive and going and fun. On to the decor section. You always want to make sure that your theme is like all over the place. It is flowy throughout the whole room. So first idea for these decoration options is heart balloons. I've been seeing these everywhere, and so having heart balloons on the ceiling or confetti balloons really just fills the space and gives the room a nice vibe because it's just so party-like. Then there's themed tableware like cute cups or plate sets, napkins, mantles, whatever you want to do. Those have got to be themed for the Galentine's party. You can also do like decorated cups. So if you're old enough, you can make cocktail cups that are cute, or if you're not old enough, you can make mocktail cups, or if you just don't like cocktails, you can make mocktails still, or just like cute drinks like fizzy sodas and stuff, but just have cute like glassware like for champagne and stuff like that. If you're doing like a more tea party, elegant themed Galentine's Day party, if you get one of those like tier things like for stacking cupcakes for desserts, that would be the cherry on top of your party, because that is like such a cute centerpiece and accent that it's like elegance to the best, to its max. Candles. You want candles everywhere, because candles, it's just something about candles screams Valentine's Day. Like, just romance sets the mood. But you get themed candles and it's just going to be the perfect touch for your party. Aside from this, you can also put petals on the table, like scattered around as an extra little touch if you want to fill the space out more. And if you can afford flowers, bring flowers to the party. Have flower arrangements, put them in jars, vases, whatever you want to call it. Put them around the house, in the kitchen, wherever the party's going to be at, and it'll give it like such a cute like floral airy feeling. Essential to every party, you need cake. And having a pretty decorated cake is like the icing on top of the cake, guys. And finally, you want to have colors. Color, pink, 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 white, red, and more pink. Because pink is the essential color for Galentine's, and you always want to have pink throughout your whole setup. Finally, we are on to the solo date section. So first idea is a self-care night, because we want to treat ourselves. We want to have a spa night. We want to do an everything shower, just take care of our own selves. Next, we have learn something new, like learning a new recipe or activity or hobby. This can include signing up for a class, pottery classes, painting classes, whatever you want to go for, try it. It's just a fun idea to enjoy and treat yourself on Valentine's Day. Exploring an art gallery. If you want to do something elegant and you appreciate the arts, go to an art gallery, because it really gives you a chance to reflect and just enjoy peaceful mindfulness and quiet. If you really want to treat yourself and you don't have a budget, go shopping. I'm gonna go shopping because I love shopping, guys. I'm actually gonna go thrifting because we love thrifting, especially on Valentine's Day, because we get all the good deals. So treat yourself and go out shopping. If you have a really kind heart and you do want to dedicate your time to the community, you can volunteer at a local charity or organization to spread the love on this special day. After this is for my food girlies. Treat yourself to a good dessert, like a good dessert, or a good dinner at that restaurant that you have been eyeing for so long. a restaurant that you've been dying to try, go to it. You don't need to be with anybody, just go to it. Go try it for yourself. You can go to a cafe. So you can sit there and read, you can paint, you can do whatever you want, but sitting in a cafe and relaxing on Valentine's Day is a really sweet idea, and it just gives you peace and quiet and time to do your own thing. Taking a walk on a beach, if you live in like a sandy area, this is a really good idea that I wish I could do. Taking a walk on the beach is like a really mindful thing that you can just sit and stare at the ocean and appreciate life for all that it is. Attending a performance, so this can be like a stand-up comedy, a play, a ballet, some sort of dance, a movie, whatever you want to see, go see it. Today is the day. If you have it off, take advantage of it. Then we have visiting a flea market. This is just like a chance to explore the city, you know, or your local farmer's area. Flea markets are such like a cool thing that you can find and like discover, because you can maybe find a product that you never know that you needed or that you never knew that you wanted. So it's a really fun idea and a good way to explore. And lastly, we have just relaxing. So this involves just staying in, ordering in, watching Netflix, having a face mask night, whatever you want, watching the sunset. Okay, y'all, that is it for this Valentine's Day guide. If you missed part 1, make sure to check it out in the description, link below. I hope you all enjoyed this, and I hope that you all have a great Valentine's Day. Bye!